Now I am starting one of the vegan food, garden protein bowl. Hi, I am Ranjit. I am working in Hilton Garden in Trivandrum as a junior sous chef. In all over India, we are starting veganary food celebrating. Now I am starting one of the vegan food, garden protein bowl. Now I am starting introduce all the ingredients. This is the vegan meat which made by the soya chunks. For the refried bean, cooked with onion, garlic with olive oil, salt and pepper. Sweet corn, this one is come with charred grilled sweet corn. Grilled cherry tomato also come with olive oil and salt and pepper and onion garlic. I have in steamed rice for the lemon and coriander rice. It come with lemon and coriander and salt, pepper, the seasoning with olive oil. For tomato salsa, roasting tomato and after remove the skin and salt, pepper, onion, garlic and coriander and green chilies. Now I am here using the spices. This is paprika powder and chili powder and some cumin powder and some chopped coriander, some lemon wedges, salt and pepper for taste. Now let's start to cook. Now we are going to start unmutton meat, which means the vegan meat bowl. We start prepare unmutton meat. It's come with soya bean. Just put it some olive oil into this pan. Add some chopped onion, some chopped garlic, and some chopped celery and leeks. Sauteed well until golden brown. Now you have some peeled tomato. Add it in the pan and cook well. Now I am going to add some tomato puree into this pan. Let's mix until the tomato raw flavor is go. Now we are going to add some spices, paprika powder, some red chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, salt, pepper and mix it until the raw flavor will go. Now I am going to add the vegan meat. Now I am finishing with some chopped parsley. Now the vegan meat is ready. Just keep it aside on one bowl. Later we will arrange the all bowl. The vegan meat texture is semi-gravy. Now I am going to start to prepare a refried bean. First I am putting some olive oil into this pan. Adding some chopped onion, some chopped garlic, chop some celery and leeks. Now start to mix well the onion, garlic and celery leeks until the golden brown color will come. And here also I am going to put some peeled tomatoes. Mix together until the raw tomato flavor will go. And I am adding some tomato puree also into this pan. Now I am adding some kidney beans. Add some salt, black fresh pepper also. Add some cumin powder also into this. Mix together, nicely cook. Now I am finishing with some chopped parsley. Now the refried bean is ready. Now I keep it side on bowl. Later we will assemble the whole bowl. Now I am going to prepare lemon and coriander rice. Now I am start to add some olive oil into this pan. And here also I am adding some garlic and sauteed until the golden brown will come. Now I am adding some steamed rice onto here. Now I am adding some chopped coriander and one squeeze of lemon juice. Now here coriander and lemon rice is ready. I'm going to keep separate bowl. Next we will assemble here the bowl. I am starting to prepare char grilled corn. Add some olive oil into this pan. Add some chopped garlic. And here I am adding some corn, sweet corn, and toast well until the golden brown color comes. And here I am adding some salt, pepper, and finishing with some chopped parsley. Now I am keeping separate that char grilled corn is ready. Going to keep separate and will arrange later on the bowl. Now I am going to make some grilled cherry tomatoes. Adding some olive oil into this pan. Add some chopped garlic. I have already some cut cherry tomato. Also going to add here. Adding some salt and pepper. Now I am finishing with some chopped parsley. Now I am going to keep separate and the grilled cherry tomato. Okay. Now I am going to assemble the garden protein bowl. Here already ready grilled corn and refried beans and minced vegan meat and some slice of avocado and coriander lemon rice and some grilled cherry tomato. Now I am going to place the lemon and coriander rice into the cutter. Now I am going to keep that grilled corn, charred grilled corn, one side. Now I am going to place charred grilled cherry tomatoes next. Some refined beans. Now I am going to place vegan meat and some slice of avocado. Now I am going to pull out the cutter. I am going to use some garnish for microgreens. I am garnish using for Diana's flour. Now healthy garden protein bowl is ready to eat.